So with bundle branch blocks, you will see two changes on the ECG: wide QRS complex and QRS complex morphology changes. This varies depending on ECG lead and if it is right versus left bundle branch block, this right and this left. Why does the QRS complex widen with bundle branch block? When the conduction pathway is blocked, it will take longer time for the electrical signal to pass throughout the ventricles. This is a block, then the impulse will come from the left to the right longer time than normal. We'll discuss right bundle branch block. In simple terms, right bundle branch block is a blockage or delay in the electrical conduction system of the heart, which means in the right bundle branch of the Hesper-Purkinje system.